Hello students, welcome to class 9th science video lecture. I am Mukesh Banani as chemistry teacher of Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Today I am going to explain you chapter number 1, matter in our surroundings. In this chapter I will discuss the following points. Number 1, matter. Number 2 is characteristics of particle of matter. Number 3, state of matter. Number 4, interconversion of state of matter. Number 5, evaporation. Number 6, relation between Celsius scale and Kelvin scale. Okay student, let's come to matter. Anything or everything which occupies space and has mass is called matter. Like example, air, food, water, etc. Now next, characteristics of particle of matter. Number 1 point, particle of matter have space between them. This space is known as interparticle space. Number 2, particle of matter are continuously moving, that is they possess kinetic energy, and kinetic energy is directly proportional to temperature. Number 3 point, particle of matter attract each other. This attraction force is known as interparticle force. Okay, let's come to state of matter. Three states of matter occur. Number 1, solid state like ice, wood, coal, stone, rock, bricks are some common solids around us. Properties of solid. A. Solid have definite shape and definite volume. B. Solid cannot be compressed much. C. Solid have high density. They are very heavy also. Here density means the ratio of mass and volume. D. Solid do not have property of diffusion. It means intermixing of different type of particle on their own. Number E. Solids do not flow. Number 2 state, liquid state like water, milk, kerosene, ink and petrol etc. are some of the common liquids. Property of liquid. Number A. Liquids have definite volume but they have no definite shape. Liquid take the shape of vessel in which they are placed. Number B. Liquids have fluidity. It means tendency to flow and not rigidity. It means ability to maintain shape if outside force is applied. C. Liquid cannot compress much. D. Liquids have lesser density as compared to solid. E. Particle in the liquid state can easily diffuse. Number 3 state, gaseous state like air, hydrogen, ammonia, carbon dioxide are some of the common example of gases. Properties of gases. Number A. Gases have neither a definite shape nor a definite volume. B. Gases can be compressed easily. C. Gases have very low density. D. Gases fill their container completely. E. Gases flow easily. Out of the three states of matter, gases have the maximum common characteristics. Let's come to interconversion of state of matter. We can change the physical state of matter in two ways. Number 1, by changing the temperature. Number 2, by changing the pressure. So come to the number 1, by changing the temperature. By increasing the temperature, a solid can be converted into liquid and liquid can be converted into gaseous state. Here temperature means the degree of hotness or coldness. Number A situation, solid to liquid state. The process in which a solid substance change into liquid on heating is called melting or fusion. It can understand in following triangle. The process in which solid convert to liquid on heating is called fusion, but the process in which liquid convert to solid on cooling is called solidification. Similarly, the process in which liquid convert to gas on heating is called vaporization, but the process in which gas convert to liquid on cooling is called condensation. The process in which solid convert to gas on heating or gas convert to solid on cooling is called sublimation. Okay students, the temperature at which a solid melt to become liquid at atmospheric pressure is called melting point of solid. The melting point of ice is 0 degree Celsius. The amount of heat energy that is required to change 1 kg of solid into liquid at its melting point without any rise in temperature under 1 atmospheric pressure is known as latent heat of fusion. Example, latent heat of fusion of ice is 335 kilojoule per kg. Here latent means hidden. Number B situation, liquid to gas change. The process in which liquid substance changes into gas rapidly on heating is called boiling or vaporization. The boiling of liquid takes place at a fixed temperature. The temperature at which liquid boils and change rapidly into gas is called boiling point of liquid. The boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. The amount of heat energy that is required to change 1 kg of water into vapor at its boiling point without any rise in temperature under 1 atmospheric pressure is known as latent heat of vaporization. Latent heat of vaporization of water is 226 kilojoule per kg. Come to the second method, by changing the pressure. The physical state of matter is also be changed by increasing or decreasing the pressure. Like we can change solid to liquid by decreasing pressure and liquid to solid by increasing pressure. Okay students, next topic is evaporation. The process of liquid changing into vapor at any temperature below its boiling point is called evaporation. In case of liquid, a small fraction of particle at the surface having kinetic energy able to break away from the forces of attraction of other particle and convert into vapor. Now factor affecting the rate of evaporation. Evaporation of liquid can be increased or accelerated by following factor. Number 1, by increase of surface area. Number 2, by increase of temperature. Number 3, by decrease in humidity, it means amount of water vapor present in air. Number 4, by increase in wind speed. Now last topic is relation between Celsius scale and Kelvin scale. The formula is Kelvin equal to degree Celsius plus 273. Like example, 0 degree Celsius equal to 0 plus 273 equal to 273 Kelvin, and 100 degree Celsius equal to 100 plus 273 equal to 373 Kelvin. So chapter has completed from my side. I will suggest you that go through this chapter by NCERT book. Okay, thank you students.